we will be studying Anuswara Sandhi. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to learn what is Anuswara Sandhi, table, examples, rules. The most important thing that we'll be using is when to use Makara and when to use Anuswara when we are writing the sentences. This is an important question which many of us may be having. We will be understanding this part also at the end of this Sandhi. Now, what is Anuswara? All of us know one dot above the letter is Anuswara. When Anuswara is the result of the transformation of the sound, it is called Anuswara Sandhi. Here, Vyanjana gets transformed. And we will see here some of the sentences. Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Uttama Manam Ichanti Guroho Vakyam Shrunotu Lakshmanaha Ramam Anusarati. Now, here we have different Vande Guru Paramparam, Krishnam Vande, Manam Ichanti, Vakyam Shrunotu, Ramam Anusarati. Krishnam Vande becomes Krishnam Vande, Manam Ichanti becomes Manam Ichanti, Vakyam Shrunotu becomes Vakyam Shrunotu, Ramam Anusarati becomes Ramam Anusarati. Now, you will be wondering here, in some cases, we have done the Anuswara. In some cases, we have not done the Anuswara. So why we have done like this? We will understand these set of sentences. Krishnam Vande. Now here we have Krishnam Vande. The split of Krishnam is K, R, Sh, N, A, Makara, V, A, N, D, E. Now this Makara gets transformed to Anuswara. Krishnam, Krishnam, Krishnam Vande. It is an Adesha Karya because Makara is replaced by. Now, what is the condition for this Sandhi? When does this Makara gets replaced by the Anuswara? If we try to analyze, we have to understand the rule and the table of the Sandhi. If we go to the table is very simple for Anuswara Sandhi. Pura Varna should be M, Makara. Right side, it should be a Vyanjana. If you have a Vyanjana on the right and Pura Varna is a Makara, you just get a dot above the letter. Very simple Sandhi. And Pura Varnasya Sthane Adeshaha. So the rule is Vyanjana should be there on the right. Now Harim Shrayate. Harim Shrayate. There are two sounds, Harim and Shrayate. After the Makara, we are hearing Shakara. Shakara is a Vyanjana. Therefore, we replace the Vyanjana with Harim. Satyam Vada. Dharmam Chara. Amram Khadati. In all these cases, what happens? Harim Shrayate. Satyam Vada. Dharmam Chara. Amram Khadati. Replace Makara with Anuswara. Now let me take the same Dharmam Chara and then put the sound in a different way. I will say Chara Dharmam. Now Chara Dharmam, after Dharmam, you don't have any word or letter. In this case, it is not satisfying the condition of the Purva Varna and Paravarna condition of Anuswara Sandhi. Let us observe this. So in this case, what we should do? We should retain it as Chara Dharmam only and there is no Sandhi happening here. In the second case, Amram plus Ichchati, what is happening is, after the Makara, you are having a Swara and not a Vyanjana. So the Sandhi transformation does not take place and we keep it as Amram Ichchati only. Now, Anuswara Sandhi's niyama is Padante Sthitat Makarat Yada Vyanjanam Param Bhavati Tada Makarasya Sthane Anuswaraha Adeshaha Bhavati. Same way, when Makara at the end of a word is followed by a Vyanjana, it is replaced by Anuswara. The sutra is also very simple. Monuswaraha. Monuswaraha. Maha represents the Manta, a word which ends with Anuswaraha. Halipare. So when Hal, all the consonants are in front of Makara, or any consonant is in front of Makara, what we get is an Anuswara. Now the most important point, when to write Ma and when to use Anuswara when we are writing. So as per this Sandhi, we will understand that if the following letter is a consonant, we have to use Anuswara. If the following letter is a Swara, we have to use Makara. If nothing is there after Makara, use Makara only.